Welcome to the XIAOMI Poco C40, and I'll show you that the device comes with a 3.5mm headphones adapter inside the box. So I'll just first open the box here. We can find here only the charger brick and the USB cable. Here we can also, I can find here the adapter for the headphones. So I just think that you don't need this adapter because you have here on the right upper side the 3.5mm part for the headphones. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.